Hey y'all, I am SweetPetiteLatrice, and if you are a new subscriber, thank you for tuning in. If you've been here before, thank you for tuning in. We're gonna get into my everyday foundation routine. I have already done my brows, I've already done my eyes, so what's left? The face, okay? I've already put moisturizer on my face. I waited about 5 minutes and now I'm here with you. Starting out, we're gonna use Airspun Loose Face Powder. Y'all, I got my everyday foundation routine from TikTok. So we're gonna take this powder and really we're setting that moisturizer in. Just a light coat of it, not much. I look ashy, right? Whatever. And next I'm going into Wet n Wild's matte primer. All right, I'm coming to y'all with the voiceover because I just got to working and I forgot to talk on some scenes. So just right here, I'm just going through and applying my concealer. Okay, next I'm going to take a color corrector. I'm going to take a color corrector and focus on my dark spots. So, you know, like I have a couple dark spots on each side of my cheek. So I'm going to focus on those areas. All right, now I'm going in with my foundation. I happen to be using Juvia's Place foundation stick. Right now, that is my favorite. And now I'm just going to blend it out. So when it comes to blending, I prefer to blend my foundation first and then go back and get my concealer. I just like to let that concealer soak into my skin as much as possible. Going in with another foundation stick in a darker color. I'm using that to contour, of course. All right, I'm using some setting spray to spray on my brush before I blend the contour out. Going in with that same setting powder, Airspun, and setting under my contour areas and under my cheeks anyway, and under my eyes. Dipping into the Crayoncase Countoursition notebook palette, we're going to set that contour in place using the darkest shade in that palette. Using some setting spray to set our face, and now we're gonna highlight. Now getting those lips together, and here is the final look. As always, thank you guys for tuning in. Until next time, I'm out.